Here's problem 4 from the 2019 AMC 8. Quadrilateral ABCD is a rhombus with perimeter 52 meters. The length of diagonal AC is 24 meters. What is the area, in square meters, of rhombus ABCD? The choices are 60, 90, 105, 120, and 144. You can pause here and solve the problem before seeing the solution. Let's draw it. Here is rhombus ABCD. A rhombus has 4 equal sides. Since the perimeter is 52, each side is 52 divided by 4, which is 13 meters. Now draw the 2 diagonals. In a rhombus, the diagonals bisect each other at right angles. Diagonal AC is 24, so half of it, from the center to a vertex, is 12. Look at the right triangle formed by the 2 half diagonals and one side. The side is 13. One leg is 12, and the other leg is the half of diagonal BD. By the Pythagorean theorem, that leg is the square root of 13 squared minus 12 squared, which is the square root of 169 minus 144, equal to the square root of 25, which is 5. So the half of the other diagonal is 5, meaning the full diagonal BD is 10. The area of a rhombus is 1/2 the product of its diagonals. That is 1/2 times 24 times 10, which equals 120 square meters. The answer is 120.